Yeah, this thing's like just way different than anything here.
Yeah, it's radical. It's a 572 Dart Big End block that we put a 4 1/4 crank in it, so it's about 548 with 1471 blower. She's running on an X85. It's got Holly Dominator ECU in it, which we have mega control on. So if you know Holly, right? So all the inputs, outputs. I mean, we can monitor. We got EGT sensors in all the pipes. The data that'll come out of this thing is just crazy, right? Yeah, kind of rewind back to the beginning. I'd started the truck, and Jimmy and his wife came over, and I had to sit in the shop because he's looking for a new building. We were moving to Riverside, California, and he's like, "Oh, that's a pretty cool truck, man." And then he saw the motor. I had to sit on a stand. It had 8-stack per hour injection. He's like, "That's even cooler," you know. And so anyway, so we became kind of started chatting. And I said, "I'm gonna leave the truck here. You're gonna finish it, man." And this guy just his attention to detail and the things that he does is just, you know, it's a different level.
Yeah.
So it's an all stock body, all steel.
Yeah.
It's actually a factory chassis that we added truss, webs, blocks, and plates and such. So straight axle front, parallel leaf. It's actually on the factory trailing arms.
Factory trailing
We had a top link to it, so it kind of made it into a ladder motor.
Yep.
Full roll cage.
Yep. Torsion sway bar in the back. She's a little dirty right now.
That's all right. It's built for war.
That's it, man. She's got one purpose: go straight and fast.
That's it, man.
Yeah. So right now we just broke 6 seconds in the 8th mile in it.
Wow.
Yep. So by the time we get done tuning it, we're running about 1,500 horse at the crank, 20 pounds of boost, and I think once we get her all dialed in, we'll probably be 530 to 540 range in an 8th mile. She scoots and she hammers. She digs the tire right in the ground. She goes straight.
So I see, you just kept the lower links, added another one, so you kind of made a 4-link sway bar action.
Yeah.
That's cool, man.
Works
Yeah, it
great.
goes dead straight.
Yeah, we were told it wasn't going to work, and we pulled
So
it
far
right-
it works.
Yeah, we pulled it right out
We're
of
out of the trailer. We ran
Why
the number
wouldn't
we
they
were
work? I
shooting
mean-
for.
It's just the suspension setup is not your common
Sure.
drag racing setup, so you get all these guys that,
Be different.
you know, yeah, that was the whole point of this truck, right?
Yeah.
You know,
Like I said, it's
unique, different, you know,
way different.
and you just see people's reaction when they see it. It's cool.
And you kept the factory wheel.
Yep.
Yeah, we just made it a quick disconnect.
Quick release, yeah.
But that steering wheel, as you can tell, has never been touched. You like it just the way it is.
I love it. Nice, man. That thing's sick.
That's what you love about it, right? It's like that blower surge is
That
just
thing,
killer, right?
yeah.
You smell the X85?
Oh yeah.
The moonshine, yeah.
Yep. Good old ethanol.
Yeah, man.
Smells
Works good.
So when we started with the first setup with this, it only had 12 pounds of boost, and we were running about 1350 at the crank. And then we took it to XRP in Ennis, just out north of Ennis, and great track, awesome track. This guy John Henson, Deviant Rods, he's like, we're gonna change the pulley, so we went to a 48, step the bottom of 2 teeth too. So now we're running about 20 pounds of boost. So we're gonna rebuild the headers because the wind's not getting back out of it. So Jimmy's gonna get the new collector, and we're going to a 2.5-inch primary with a 5-inch collector.
We gotta go to a little bit bigger header combination. We're getting the wind in, we just gotta get it out.
Awesome.
Yeah.